What's good, y'all? Kingx2 here, back with another video. We got it right too. K Dizzle in the building. He said we wasn't gonna proceed until we got that handshake correct, and we did it on the first try. One take, Jake.
It's all about the thumb.
It's all about the thumb, exactly. Whatever that means. We got this quick unboxing to do for y'all. Got a couple fragrances in, some samples. So yeah, we just want to do this quick unboxing on camera. I got 4 new scents in. I think one of them I smelt already, and the other ones I haven't. But yeah, I just also wanted to get King Emmanuel's opinion on it too. So
he might let me get one if I like it.
Probably not, because he's expensive. You could probably, get a little squirt or two. Shout out to Scent Split. You can get some samples from them if you want to try the fragrance before you actually buy the whole bottle and fully commit. See if you like it or whatever. But yeah, the first one that came out the box, we got Carlisle. And this fragrance is by Parfums de MArley.
I know it.
What?
Parfums.
You don't even know. You don't even know what you're talking about. Nah. All right, so yeah.
All you do is talk about Parfums.
Parfums de MArley Carlisle. That smells good. It almost smells like your bad boy a little bit. What did you get for Christmas that you wanted to tell everybody about?
I got Bad Boy for Christmas.
I think it's the Parfum, Bad Boy Parfum. Or should we put the picture? Boom, right there. That Carlisle fire. That one kind of nice. Maybe. So then the next one, what do you think it is?
Parfum de MArley.
You got it. Got Parfums de MArley Godolphin. And these little ones are 2 milliliters.
They're 2 milliliters.
Okay, so yeah, we'll do this next one on your left hand. Godolphin. This is also one by I never smelled this one before. Let that boy marinate a little bit. All right, let's see. Oh, that's a leather. That's a leather. It's got that raspberry. Yeah, so I think actually this is a Galatea. So I believe that Godolphin, this Galatea is a remake of this, or a dupe of the Godolphin, which it does smell very similar. Let me see. I get like leather and raspberries. You're gonna be stuck with that one for a while probably, because them leather fragrances be. I mean, you could probably wash it off, I don't know.
It reeks.
Hey, that's that grown man fragrance right there for you.
Grown man
Fragrance.
Something you gotta deal with. No matter how many of them fabricated lines he just said, it ain't gonna equal up to this.
Real spritz. A 90-year-old man. So last but not least, before we get into the other one that I smelled before.
Parfum de MArley.
And wrong answer. No, we got Lamar by Kajal.
Lamar Jackson?
We got Kajal. We got Lamar by Kajal. Yeah.
Lamar Jackson?
You might like this one. No, not Lamar Jackson. I'm a spread on me.
No!
You want it on you? All right.
I guess.
So here we go. Lamar by Kajal. So this one, I've been watching a lot of videos and stuff about it. That one do smell girly.
That one smells like lemon.
It's like, yeah, pineapple, citrusy. It smells good though. I think I'd pull that off. It's like a fruity fragrance. But then they say this one, it takes a while to like open up and everything. So we're gonna have to report back on that one. That one smells
I'm
good.
gonna watch these 2 off. I'm gonna clean that one.
I think these 2 will mix good, the Lamar and the Carlisle. But yeah, Lamar card. All of them smell good together.
Oh my god, it smells like 92, 990.
You know what? I think all of this together is gonna make this. So I got last but not least.
Parfum de MArley.
It's not Parfum de MArley again. Gotcha.
Bro, the last
This one is Xerjoff Naxos 1861. This one I smoked before. I bought something and then it came with the little sample of this one. But man, when I smelled this was like one of the best things I ever smelled. Naxos, I already know what it smell like. This fragrance is amazing. I'm gonna get a bottle of this real soon. Oh man, I can just smell it there. You smell it, don't you? Yeah, I told you, this is is literally the best fragrance I ever smelled. And I don't think I'm being facetious either. Smell it. It's fire. It smells like, yeah, some nice, smooth, clean shea butter lotion. Dang, that's fire. So what was your favorite one out of all of these? Naxos?
Yeah.
What's your least favorite?
The thing that you sprayed on me.
You don't like none of those? I thought you liked the first two.
I did.
And
I
then
like the Parfums of MArley.
Not the Godolphin though. The Godolphin is Parfums and MArley too. Hey, real quick before you go, I just want to say thank you. Thank you to everybody that's been watching these videos. I'm so grateful for it. Thank you for tuning in and leaving comments and all the subscribers. All my day ones that's just been there watching these videos. I appreciate y'all. Definitely doesn't go unnoticed. And with that being said, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. Details on that giveaway is coming soon, probably like in the next like 1 or 2 videos. Not this one. Probably not the next one, but you know, one after that. But yeah, like I said, just stay tuned. Y'all gonna see, you know what I mean? Got tons of more content on the way. Me and King, we didn't really, you know what I mean, shoot an exit or outro to this video. So just wanted to hop on here and say thank you. So yeah.
Kingx2, we out. Peace.